Hey, what's up, Dream Car Driving family? It's your boy Tony Rivera. Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad to have you back. Start off by liking this video, and if you're new, subscribe to Dream Car Driving because we are all about capturing cinematic videos of performance cars. A lot of people in the car community have these amazing cars, supercars, but a lot of them don't know how to display them and show them on video, sad to say. That's what this channel is all about, to teach you and show you how to film cars and also show you the beauty and cinematic reels of performance cars specifically. Before we get into this video, I would like to share some of my drone shots and angles that I captured to help inspire you to create some epic shots of your own. So sit back and relax for the next 30 seconds to enjoy some of my favorite angles and shots I have captured with my own personal drones. So today we're going to go over my top 3 reasons why it's very important to have a drone in your arsenal when it comes to videography and even photography. So here are one of my top 3 reasons why it's essential to have a drone in your arsenal. None of them are in sequential order, but we're going to start off with the appeal factor. When I tell my clients from past experience, my own experience, that I offer drone services, their faces light up like a kid in a candy store. And this is primarily because they probably or most likely have not seen their vehicle, their performance car, in a different perspective, like in an aerial view or a crazy view that's far out. So it just opens the realm and possibilities to create something that you haven't created before, and it sets you apart from others. Trust me, having a drone is a good investment. It's definitely going to help you attract and reel in more clients. Number 2 would be money. Money is very important in business and running a business, providing for your family, providing for yourself. And I have found countless times when I run across clients, the first thing they ask me is, do I have a drone? And thankfully, I started off my business over a year ago with having a drone. I started off with a DJI Mavic Mini. I moved up to the DJI Mavic Air 2. Didn't go to the Mavic Pro 2 because it's a little bit old now. So I just said, I can't wait for the Mavic 3 Pro. I'm in business now. Doesn't make sense for me to wait whenever they decide to make it release. So I went with the Autel Evo 2 Pro 6K, and I couldn't be more than satisfied. Only with some little tidbits. It doesn't move like a DJI drone. It's a little bit jerky, but once you get it down, you can get similar movements. But I never have found myself able to capture that nice rotational lateral movement that you can with the DJI products. Just think about it like this: DJI is like a BMW, and Autel is like a Rolls Royce. One floats over the road, and one is a driving machine. Pick your sauce. Didn't know what to say. My bad. Adding a drone to your business is increasing the value that you bring not only to yourself but to your clientele. Doing such a thing is going to help you not only bring value, but it's going to increase the moolah, the money in your pocket. Last but not least is versatility. And what I mean by that is you're going to be able to use your drone in many other applications besides the automotive field. For instance, you can use it in real estate. You can use it for thermal technology, for search and rescue. You can use it for mapping and geographics. You can also even use it for shipping and express that is now being tested in many stores nationwide in the US. Having a drone is a great investment, and it opens up your world to many applications of work. This is Dream Car Driving. I'm Tony Rivera, and if you have found value in this video, smash the like button, comment down below, especially if you're an avid flyer. Give some tips to some noobs that are, just getting in the drone field, in the automotive field in general. And if you're new, subscribe to Dream Car Driving, because we are all about filming cinematic car reels, commercials, you name it. I'm here to teach you all about filming cars. So I can't wait to see you back again. Till next time, I hope you enjoy your wonderful day, wherever it's at.